Attention Kansas City. Brace yourselves for a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, the first since 2018. Expect heavy snowfall up to 15 inches, icy roads, and powerful winds. Travel chaos looms with flight delays at Kansas City International and road closures across the metro. Schools might extend holiday breaks, so stay tuned. Prioritize safety, stay indoors, check road conditions via MoDOT's map, and if you must travel, pack an emergency kit. Kansas City's snow team is hard at work clearing roads. Stay informed through local news and sign up for alerts. Like, share, and watch our next video for more updates.